Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel guys. Today I want to show you guys on how to make withdrawals from your MEXC exchange account, from your MEXC Global account. You guys just stick around to watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part of this video, okay, so that you guys can understand on how you can make withdrawal, either Bitcoin, any coin you want to withdraw. Is the same process I want to show you right now on this video. You guys just stick around to watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part of this video, okay? And if you're a new member to my YouTube channel here, try to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this video to all your friends to know on how you can withdraw. And when you are trading on this exchange, it's zero fee. You don't need to pay any money for the, maybe you are trading, they are trading for you. When you want to trade, everything is zero fee when you are trading here. So guys, this is how to make withdrawal from this exchange. And if you are a new member here, just make sure to hit the subscribe and like and share this video, and the link to sign up is down below this video. Then when you register through my link, you can get claim your $1,000 bonus if you try to follow the protocol of what they ask you to do on this particular crypto exchange right now, guys. So very simple and easy, guys. Okay, all right, so let me just click on this wallet. All right, can you see my arrow down below? Click on the wallet down below here. All right, when you click on the wallet, you will see something like deposits, withdrawal, transfer. So just make sure to click on this withdraw, and it's the same. Either you want to withdraw Bitcoin, whatever, you can click on withdraw. If you want to withdraw Bitcoin, just select BTC and click on this BTC, but for me now, I just only have I have only USDT stable coin on my account, so I just only have USDT. This is what I'm looking for, USDT. Okay, this is the account. I have like only USDT on my account. So for the sake of this video, I just want to withdraw like just $20 for you guys to just know on how to. It's the same process. Either you want to withdraw BTC, anything you want to withdraw is the same thing. Just click on this because then you need to just go and copy the address. I want to fund with TRC20 network. Okay, let me just go to my Trust Wallet right away. Okay, this is my Trust Wallet. I want to fund this account with TRC20 network. Can you see TRC20 network? Okay, then I will now click on this receive. Okay, I'll now click on this receive button to fund with just TRC. I'll just click on this copy. I will now copy my account. I will now go back to that account. Okay, this is my account. I will now paste the wallet here on this area. Can you see paste wallet address? I will now click on paste. Okay, can you see automatically it has already show me the TRC20 network. I will now how much I want to withdraw. Okay, I want to withdraw like just $20. Okay, I will get $19. So that means they will charge me what, $1. Okay, so let me just add $21. Okay, so that $21. Okay, that means on that account I'll get like exactly $20 because they want to charge me just $1 for the fee. Okay, so when you are sending out to, maybe you want to send to one company or any company, you can make sure you add your charges. That's how they are doing on this particular exchange. Okay, and you can write anything here like optionals. You can write, this one is option, don't need to write anything. Just click on this confirm button down below, then you can click on confirm, and just can you see you have currently selected your identity change. So just click on this confirm button. Very simple. Then 20, let me just click on this confirm withdrawal right away. Very simple. Then let me just click on this get code. All right, very simple. I will now click on my Google here. Let me just do that for security of reason. All right, let me just click on submit right now. Wow, request submit. I've already submit successful. In the next 3 minutes, that guys, the money will transfer to my Trust Wallet. I'll get $20 to my Trust Wallet right away, guys. Can you see? I just refresh the page. I think the money has been. Okay, I want to check my Trust wallet. Let me just refresh to see if the money has come here. All right. Okay, let me refresh here to see. Wow, the money has been successfully completed. All right, I've already received it on my Trust wallet. Wow, the money has been reflected here. Can you see? Because I have just can you see it has been reflected on my account. Thank you guys for watching the video. Try to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now guys.